let's go outside and learn 6 fun nature verbs. Ready? Let's go! Look! Someone is digging in the garden. Dig, dig, dig. Now he plants a little seed. Good job! Time to water the plants. Splash, splash. He smells the flowers. They smell nice. Now he picks a flower gently. So careful. He watches a little bird in the tree. So quiet. Now, repeat after me. Dig, plant, water, smell, pick, watch. Let's say all of them again, fast. Dig, plant, water, smell, pick, watch. Great job! See you next time for more English and fun.